Hi guys, it's Avas from Trendy Startups. Today I'm gonna show you how to get Amazon affiliate links for your blog post. So let's get started. So what is Amazon affiliate program and why we need to generate Amazon affiliate links? So Amazon affiliate program is a center agent working program, means you are a center agent between the customer and Amazon. Means you create your referral link, post your link on your website or your apps. So the customer that shops from Amazon buy your link, so you will get the percentage from Amazon. So let's get started. So to generate Amazon affiliate link, you have to simply open your Chrome browser and type here amazon.com. So you can see our amazon.com dashboard. So if you are working on an Amazon affiliate program, so your dashboard will be different than the others. So to generate link, first we have to find the product. Find the product here. For example, headphones. So you have to find a high rated product. For example, I'm going to select this. So this is the product. So if you want to refer this product to anyone, for example, if you want to generate the link of this product, here you can see the option of get link. So simply click on it. So here you can see two options, short link or full link. So I'm going to generate short link and simply copy the link. So here you can see we have created the link. So try one more product, for example, shoes. So I'm going to generate this shoes link. So again, click on get link and from here copy the link. So here you can see we have generated the Amazon affiliate links. So here you can do the same. So you can also generate the Amazon affiliate links by following this process. I hope this information was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.